Homeland Security Secretary Kristi Noem testified before Congress today defending the administration's biggest immigration controversies. She agreed that current conditions in the country could justify calls to suspend habeas corpus. And she also said this when pressed about due process in the administration's deportation efforts.
Well, Congresswoman, we are following due process and using it as to how Congress has laid out to us in statute, and we are complying with all federal judges' orders as well.
You weren't complying at that time. It took the United States Supreme Court to order you to comply, so you hadn't proactively complied on your own. You were intending to wrongfully deport people without access to a court hearing, without access to the rule of law, and that is why it was necessary for the United States Supreme Court.
Due process does not guarantee a hearing.
Harry Litman joins me now. He's a former U.S. attorney and former deputy assistant attorney general. The panel is also still with us. Okay, Harry, I'm going to start with you. First of all, is that how due process really works?
She just made two stunning misstatements.
Okay.
First of all, that there's suspension here. You can only suspend habeas corpus. Only Congress can do it, and the public safety must require it. And by public safety requiring it, what we mean is if courts were to actually hear the claims, that would be a problem for public safety. There's no possible argument here. We're talking about detainees who are already detained. Second, no, it's completely wrong to say due process is whatever we say and without the intervention of court. Due process is necessarily, 9-zip, the Supreme Court has reaffirmed, a judicial hearing, notice, an opportunity to be heard before a neutral decision maker, not the say-so of the very gang that's trying to deport you. Two dramatically incorrect statements of the law there.
You know, due process shows up twice, actually, in the Constitution, in the 14th Amendment, I believe, also in the 5th Amendment. The other thing that's in the Constitution, which is why it's such a big deal, is habeas corpus. This is what the Constitution says. It says the privilege of the writ of habeas corpus shall not be suspended unless when in cases of rebellion or invasion, the public safety may require it. It also makes clear that Congress holds the power. So what could the White House be looking at? If Congress holds the power, what could they be looking at? But also, what exactly is habeas corpus? Because it seems like all these terms are being thrown around, and folks at home should understand what we're talking about.
Yeah, I know it seems kind of legally complex, but it's so fundamental to the framers. They made it this whole special clause. And as you say, they put in Article 1, meaning this is up to Congress. All it is an ability, if the executive comes and detains you, to be able to go to a court and say, bring me the body, habeas corpus. In other words, it's a defense to the courts, always to the courts, against a detention without law. Exactly what the administration is doing. So it's down the middle, and to suspend it, you must have Congress and you must have public safety threatened, and which the courts have to find. It's not enough to say, oh, these Trende Aragua bandits are dangerous people. It has to be dangerous for courts to hear their claims. And that's just, completely unshowable here. This is not going to fly, Simone. This is not. The courts will not permit the suspension.
Sam, I'm wondering what you thought of Secretary Noem's testimony today. The Democrats were, I think, quite aggressive in their questioning, which I was, it's night and day from the first hearings that we saw coming out of right after Donald Trump's inauguration and now about 115 so days later. So what you thought about that? And then the courts are holding strong on this notion, but the deportations are still continuing to happen. So how does this not have a chilling effect?
Okay, well, let's start with your first observation about the night and day, which I think is really understated, because if you remember right after the inauguration, the predominant conversation in Democratic circles was, how do we move to the right on immigration? How can we accommodate Trumpism on immigration? And they voted for legislation, or they had already voted for it, was signed by Trump, to make that shift. And now what you see is a much more aggressive pushback on what the administration is doing. I think that's partially because the administration has gone so aggressive themselves. Two is there's a fundamental contradiction to what the administration is arguing here, which is, one, the border is secure, unlike any point in our history. Two, crime is down across the board in all the major cities. And three, it's such an invasion that we have to suspend habeas corpus. Those things cannot possibly coexist, and I think that is a problem for them.